Hi there, John Carter here. Can take my mask off because I'm inside my private office. John Carter here. I'm the broker owner at RE/MAX for the city, and just wanted to do a quick update about policy regulation changes as it impacted by the government of Alberta's announcement yesterday related to real estate. So first of all, we very much appreciate all of our clients' business, and especially during times like this, we don't take lightly that your housing needs have changed and how you use your home has changed. In a lot of cases, that means a move. And we're happy and privileged to be able to help you with that, whether it be a home office needing more yard space, outside space, you want to be able to have a home garden for food security, or you need more indoor parking or play space in a finished basement, that kind of thing. We know that COVID has created a real adjustment in the way people use their home, and we're here for you to help guide you through that process. So as far as policy changes based on the November 24th announcement by the Alberta government, the main thing is that we're under the regulations of by appointment only. So not that much different than we already do most of our business. And the main impact to that is that we won't be able to do in-person open houses. We'll still offer virtual open houses and all the various options that we do to promote properties for sale online and virtually through social media and other online channels. But there'll be any showings, physical in-person showings, are by appointment only, and a maximum of 2 people per family or per household viewing the home at any given time under appropriate safety protocols. And our agents will be asking for your health questionnaire as well as your comfort level with COVID procedures. So whether you're a buyer or a seller, we seek to understand and document what your wishes are, and then we will confirm with the other side through our other industry colleagues to make sure that those are kept in compliance so that everybody feels comfortable and is able to still tour homes and find that new home that suits their needs, or sell the home that they have for sale that they're wanting to move out of. So we also offer various options for deposits on transactions. So we are still accepting in-person deposits, but we have a drop safe, an envelope that everyone can fill out with all the information on there. We also offer EFT, wire transfer, direct deposit, and deposit at any TD bank in the network of TD banks. It doesn't even have to be in the city, it can be anywhere. And then lastly, relates to possession days and inspections and the like. So you're more than welcome to still attend. Again, it is in person, it's with consent of both parties, but we encourage where possible to have virtual meetings with the home inspector or virtual meetings with the lawyer for signing. All of our preferred partners that we recommend and work with have those options available for our clients, and that's one of the reasons we appreciate having professional partnerships with the whole team that takes to make a real estate transaction happen. So stay safe and happy and healthy out there. We appreciate you wearing your masks when coming to any of our offices and working with our agents. And we're looking forward to helping you with your housing needs during these challenging times and afterwards when we're living in our new post-COVID world.